In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create parent and sub-collections in Shopify and organize them in your main menu. We'll start by building the collections themselves, then we'll place them neatly into your store's navigation so shoppers can find what they need with just a few clicks. Think of collections as categories that group related products, and sub-collections as more specific groups nested under a broader parent collection. From your Shopify admin, head to Products, then Collections. Click Create Collection for each parent collection you need, and repeat the same for every sub-collection you want to include. Give each collection a clear, descriptive title, so it's obvious what belongs there. Next, choose whether the collection is manual or automated. Manual collections let you handpick products, which is great for curated or seasonal groups. Automated collections use rules to include products that match certain criteria, which helps keep things organized without ongoing maintenance. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to manage your catalog. Once the collection is created, add the relevant products and click Save. If you're working with several categories, it can help to finish all your parent collections first, then move on to sub-collections so your structure stays consistent. Continue this process until all your parent and sub-collections are set up and saved. Now let's place those collections into your navigation. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Choose the main menu you want to edit, such as Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item to start adding your sub-collections. Give each menu item a name that matches the collection title your customers will recognize. Then choose Collection as the link type and select the collection you created. Click Add to confirm. Repeat this for all the sub-collections you want to include. To turn these into a drop-down under a parent collection, simply drag each sub-collection menu item below its parent and indent it to the right. That indentation is what creates the nested drop-down structure your customers will see. Keep the hierarchy logical and not too deep, so it's easy to navigate. When everything looks correct, click Save Menu. That's it. You've created your parent and sub-collections, linked them to your menu, and arranged them into a clean drop-down. With clear names, a sensible hierarchy, and the right choice between manual and automated collections, your store will be easier to browse and maintain over time.